So, in today's video, you guys have been asking me, when am I going to do my next video?
Are you sliding?
And today we're just going to give you a little lesson of how to tie your socks. And my mom is also going to do this too. So, this is my way. So, first, you do this to one sock. Put it in the other sock, if you can even fit it in. It's hard for me to fit it in. And then once you got that in, all the way to the bottom, so then you do this. When you take it out, you hold on to the other sock inside of it, and then hopefully it should end up like this. So now it's my mom's turn. So she's not actually doing it, I'm just going to show you her way. So, how she does it is also really simple because it's really easy to get the socks out of the place they were in for my mom's trick. Honestly, I think it's better than mine. So how you do it for my mom's idea, you put them right next to each other. You open one, put it all in that one sock. Just gotta squeeze it in there. So squeeze it all in there, if you even can. Okay, let's restart. So you put them right next to each other. You open one, and you put them both in that big one. Okay, now this is a good one. And then it should hopefully end up like this. And now all you need to do to take them out, that's it. And that was just a mini lesson how to do it. Make sure you like and subscribe because I did listen to your comments down below to do another video. And we were so lucky I did another video. And this is probably over 1 minute, as you could see in the time. Make sure you like and subscribe for the second time and click that bell for notifications. Bye.